everyone. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. I've got a great little project to share with you today. I belong on Facebook to a great online community where we get to share ideas, and I came across this little project. I will have linked down in the description below the video that I saw. It is in a different language. I did have to watch it a few times over, but I'm going to show you how we create this little bag thing. So the Designer Series paper I'm using today, this is the Tropical Escape Designer Series paper. On this one, I use the Garden Impressions Designer Series paper. Right now, for the month of July, if you buy 3 packs of Designer Series paper, you get the 4th pack free. So, we are going to score this at 2 inches and at 4 inches. We are going to rotate it and score this at 2 inches and again at 4 inches. We are then going to put it at the 1/4 inch mark, and we are going to score this. We are going to rotate it 180, and we are going to do the exact same thing. We are then going to rotate it, and on the opposite sides that we didn't score, we are actually going to cut that away. Rotate it 180, again lining it up at the 1/4 inch. And cut that away. These pieces here is what you will use for your handle. We are now going to cut up these score lines, stopping at the horizontal score line. What we're going to do now is we're going to cut from corner to that corner there, stopping at that score line. And you're going to repeat this on all 4 corners. These here you can add for a different project. And now I'm going to fold and burnish all my score lines. And then we are going to fold this on the opposite way. We are going to meet these 2 corners like so, and that's what's going to close the little box. Okay, so you're going to take your handles. You are going to want to cut them down a little bit, depending on how big you want your handles would be how big you want to cut, you know, how big you want your little strips to be. And then all I'm going to do is you're just going to staple that on. Repeat that on the other side. Super cute project, and again I will have the original link down in the description. Super cute. Whoops. Super easy. So I hope you're going to give this project a try. If you guys are in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the products I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. I do love to hear from everybody, so do leave me comments. I will have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.